What's up guys, welcome back to another video there, you Blox. Your iPad can do way more than you think. In this video I'll show you 7 powerful tricks that will save you time, make multitasking easier and unlock features most people didn't even know exist. Stick around because by the end you'll be using your iPad like a pro. So guys, first up we have the Universal Clipboard. This is one of the most underrated features in Apple's ecosystem. Imagine you copied some text, an image or even a link on your iPad. Without sending it through AirDrop or email, you can simply paste it directly on your iPhone. Here's how it works. As long as both devices are signed in with the same Apple ID, connected to Wi-Fi and have Bluetooth turned on, whatever you copy on the device can be pasted on the other. Super useful when you're researching on your iPad but writing or designing on your iPhone. So guys, next up is custom shortcut automations. The Shortcuts app lets you create personalized automations that save you a lot of time. For example, you can set your iPad to automatically open camera when you connect your iPad to charger, or enable Do Not Disturb when you launch a certain app. Here's how to do it. Open the Shortcuts app, then go to Automation tab, then tap the plus sign and choose Create Personal Automation. Pick a trigger, for example when I connect the charger, then add an action like opening the camera app. You can also add multiple actions like playing a playlist, turning on Do Not Disturb mode, or dimming brightness all at once. Once you set it up, every time the trigger happens, your iPad does the work for you. It's like building your own mini assistant. And now with number 3, typing on the iPad screen can be very tricky, but this next trick is a lifesaver. If you place 2 fingers on the keyboard and swipe around, the entire keyboard turns into a trackpad. This means you can move the cursor precisely wherever you want in the text without awkwardly tapping the screen. It works amazingly for editing essays, coding, or even fixing typos quickly. Once you get used to it, you'll never want to type on the iPad without it. And now with trick number 4. Spotlight search. Most people use it just to find the apps, but it can do so much more. Let's say you search for the calculator app. It won't just show the app, you can actually type in math equations right there in the spotlight and get instant answers. Similarly, searching for a contact lets you immediately call or message them. Spotlight acts like a shortcut hub that saves you time and keeps you productive without even opening the app itself. Number 5 is an actual game changer. Here's a feature that many people doesn't know about. Pinch to shrink the keyboard. If the full-size iPad keyboard feels too big to type on, simply pinch in with 2 or 3 fingers and it will shrink down to a floating keyboard. You can move it anywhere on the screen and type with one hand, just like on an iPhone. It's perfect for when you're holding your iPad in portrait mode and don't want to stretch your fingers across the screen. Number 6 is an absolute time saver. Instead of tapping the undo buttons in apps, you can just swipe left with 3 fingers to undo or swipe right with 3 fingers to redo, which keeps things much faster and smoother. And finally, one of the most powerful features is drag and drop between apps. Let's say you're browsing on Safari and you find an image you like. Just tap, hold, and drag it straight into Notes or Pages or your desired app. The same works with text, links, or even files. These features make multitasking on iPad feel almost like using a desktop computer, and it's a huge time saver for projects, research, or even creative work. So those were 7 powerful iPad tricks that most people don't take advantage of. Try them and you'll notice how smoother and smarter your workflow becomes. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on all notifications to never miss of my videos. And let me know in the comments which trick was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.